Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to unboxing BOYA by M1, a budget microphone. So without any delay, let's get started. I brought this microphone for rupees 599 from MSDJ Retail on Amazon. The packaging was good. The box covered by a bubble wrap. The first thing I noticed when I teared a bubble wrap is that registered symbol. You can see that there is a R above the BOYA. QR code is also fake. There's no number in it. In the original box, there's no registered symbol, and if you scratch the QR code, the number will be visible. So what I am saying is, this is a fake microphone. This is how you identify the original BOYA microphone, through QR sticker. So watch this and verify yours. In the meantime, let's compare the mobile microphone and the BOYA. Now I am talking with the mobile microphone. Now this is the BOYA microphone, a duplicate BOYA microphone. So compare the quality of audio yourself. My suggestion is that the normal 300 rupees earphone will perform exactly like this. In fact, better than this. If you want to give it a shot, then go for it. Try once. I am pretty sure you guys deny this microphone after some times. You can see the box. They provide all the stuff that original BOYA microphone gives. So be aware of these things. Specifications. There's nothing changes when compared to original box. You can see even weight. So on the right side there's logo BY-M1 on the front. Let's open the box. So you can see the pouch of microphone. Oh, there's no guarantee or warranty card. That's interesting. This is only user manual guide. The original one provides warranty card. So let's open the pouch and see what's all are the accessories. So you can see these all are the accessories given by the BOYA, a duplicate one. They provide all the stuff that original BOYA do. There's a battery and there's a clip to attach the microphone to your shirts like this. Oh, this is tight. And this is a converter for 3.5 mm head jack to 6.3 mm, and this is 3.5 mm head jack to connect to your smartphones as well as DSLR. So without any delay, let's put the battery. This is how you open the receiver. And open the battery, and inside the battery like this. And close the cabin. Now you can connect this mic for your smartphone, DSLR, etc. Here's the button for camera and smartphones. You can flip the button. Ho ho, you can see the button already got displaced. See this button is very tight. You can't switch camera to smartphone or smartphone to camera smoothly. This is very tight. This is what duplicate one do. Now you can see the button comes off so easily. My suggestion is to don't buy this mic. Buy the original for 900 rupees. I forgot to mention, don't forget one thing. When you flip the button, there's a green and red tint in the original as shown in the image. So if it doesn't exist, don't buy. So this is how the duplicate mic perform. Thank you for watching this. Please hit the like button, share and don't forget to subscribe.